To load a blade into the Cos-Tools Freestyle Cutter, first remove the blade knob and the blade cover. Insert one blade sharp side forward onto the pegs. Then replace the blade cover and the blade knob. It's a good idea when you're not using the tool to loosen the blade cover and slide it forward to protect the blade. Find additional blade storage on the underside of the tool. To use the Cos-Tools Freestyle Cutter, always use foam board underlayment under the foam you intend to cut. Loosen the blade knob and the blade cover to expose the blade. Then tighten in place. Now drop the Freestyle Cutter onto your foam to either freestyle cut or follow traced designs. Visit our website to see the entire Cos-Tools family.